Okay, let's look at the one bedroom. This is the A3 floor plan for the Atelier. So let's take a look. Oh, wow. Wow, I'm liking this. Okay, so right away we walk in and we've got a really cute mudroom area. Just love it. It's a little bit different than I see. It's usually kind of sticking out of the wall, just right there directly on one side or the other. I like it that they kind of niched it a little bit and put it into this space over here. So that's just kind of striking me as cool right away. Let's see, do we have, okay, so that's going to lead into the bathroom. We'll explore that in just a minute. So quick access into the bathroom, that's right there. Here is your washer and dryer. So quick access there and good use of space. And then, wow, look at this. I am loving this. I love the amount of light. The floor-to-ceiling windows are here, and that's huge. It's just giving a lot of light. But I like some of the touches here too. Like I like I guess the design and the feel of this. I love the concrete beam, frankly, and I do love the concrete ceiling because it feels a little bit lofty. And so this space in here is a lot of space. You could easily put your TV up there, or you could put other things up there. You could put your TV over here too. This has kind of a cable, plug and outlet and stuff like that. So this wall would make just as good sense to do that as well. The kitchen is right over here. This would hold maybe, I'd say comfortably about 2 bar stools. And then there's some room over here to put, I would say that'd be a good place for a home office. That's where you could put a desk and maybe you could plug in whatever you need, your computer and some other things. So you've got some good I like just kind of the little niches that they have. It's just really, really nice. The ceiling, I think this is about, to me, 10 or 11 feet. So about 10 or 11 feet. I think it feels fine. I'm going to look over here and let's look at the kitchen. We're seeing it looks like quartz, really pretty white quartz that's here. You've got look at this huge sink. It's just very, very deep, and you've got the gooseneck faucet that's there that you can, pull down and that kind of thing, pull down and enjoy it, and get that water out, or pull down to get it really close to something. So that's awesome. Love that. You've got a lot of cabinet space. You've got shelf space. I like that shelf. That's really cool. You could put some plants up there, maybe. Definitely, you could maybe put some spices right below there too. And then love this oven. This oven's great. It's gas. It's Bosch. So beautiful, sleek oven. And then when you're cooking, that's going to take the air away. So love that vent, and it's by Zune. Look at this is a beautiful, beautiful fridge that's here. It's really a lot of space. And then you've got in here, you've got your freezer that's here. So what I love about this is I love how they just blend in the refrigerator into the cabinet. It's the same color. That's genius. I've never seen that done. Absolutely love it. So this is gray and white in here. It's just got a great feel. This is a wine fridge that's over here. Here is microwave, and then this is just what your view would be in here. So this is charming. Feels good. I'm delighted with it. Feels just delightful in here. Okay, so let's take a look at the bedroom. The bedroom is here. The bedroom is angled a little bit. So this is straight over here, but then if you look over here, this is at an angle. So that wall is pretty big. You could put a king or a queen there. I think the queen would give you a bit more room on the sides, but you still could do both. It goes here. I don't know. I'd say that's maybe like about 10 feet to 12 feet in between that wall and the beam. And then there's that little niche that's there. It does have a little kind of a lip where the ceiling meets that little lip that's going there. And then this is your direct access to get on the balcony. So you've got a lot of light in here. You've got the floor to ceiling in here too. And so let's walk out here real quick just so you can see it. Looks like maybe, yeah, here we go. Okay, so great views over here. And that is Clyde-Warren Park right there. So fantastic location, fantastic views. And then you've got Uptown just directly ahead. And then Victory Park is just right over there. And wow, just fantastic views, all ready to go. This is about 8 feet outside here, so it could fit maybe 2 chairs in there. And you've definitely got some good views waiting for you here, so I like this. Okay, wow, okay, here is the closet. And let's see, so we've got that closet here, and it's got a shelf up there. That's the door to close in the closet. And then we've got your bathroom here. Beautiful bathroom. It's just the design, whoever did the designs here, just kudos, A++. I love these designs in here. Just very pretty, very